Hello everyone! Mayong adlaw mga higala. For this video, I will be sharing my oatmeal cookie recipe. For the ingredients, you need 1 cup unsalted butter, 1/2 cup brown sugar, 1/4 cup granulated white sugar, 1 piece whole egg, 1 1/4 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, your 200 grams rolled oats, and this is optional but you can add 1/2 cup raisins and another 1/2 cup of your chocolate chips. So first, let's do creaming method. Let's cream the butter and yung dalawang sugar. This will take you around 3 to 5 minutes bago natin i-add yung itlog. Sugar. Saksak na. While naki-cream siya, let's mix our dry ingredients. The flour, baking soda, salt, and the cinnamon powder. After the creaming method, let's add the egg. Scrape the side of the bowl. Then, lagay natin si dry ingredients. Lastly, rolled oats. Do not use the instant oats ha. Use the rolled oats. Mas masarap siya yung malalaking grano. Do not overbeat or overmix para hindi matigas si cookie. Ayan. This time, pwede mo na i-fold in si raisins and the choco chips. So for the raisins, you can add raisins or other dried fruit. Pwede yon. You can add some nuts if you want. Ako, mas gusto ko si choco chips. So, half ng choco chips, lagay natin. Then, let's get our cookie sheet. Medyo malalaking oatmeal cookie to ha. Then, I have my large ice cream scooper. Let's bake this one around 20 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. There you go, our oatmeal cookies. Again, for the ingredients, don't forget to visit Sweet House Baking Store here in Cagayan de Oro, Balingasag, Gorin, Palawan. And don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Enjoy baking!